Alright, welcome to my channel, guys. And in this video I'm going to show you guys how to add emergency contact if you're in a car crash, or anything happened to you, and if you want your phone to call your closest friend or family member, whoever you want, for your emergency contact. So I'm going to show you guys in this video. Let's get this started. So what you want to do, you want to open up the setting application, scroll down till you see the emergency SOS. Click on that and scroll down till you see the setup emergency contact in health, and it will bring you to the medical ID, and you wanna select the edit button on the top right corner, as you guys can see right here, and scroll down till you see the emergency contact, add emergency contact. Your emergency contact will receive a message saying that you have called emergency services when you use emergency SOS. Your current location will be included in these messages. So you want to hit add contact, and from your phone book you can pick anybody you want. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick let's say this is one of my friend, Andrew. I'm going to select that. And as you guys can see, you can pick the relationship. So this is my one of my friend. So I'm going to click on friend. And then what you want to do is hit done. And that's it. As you guys can see, emergency contact have been added. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back, and then you want to open up the emergency SOS just to see if it's able, and scroll down. As we can see right here, it is able, and then you can add emergency contact. I think I can be wrong, but I think you can add up to 5 people to this list to have it as your emergency contact on your device. So I think that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.